Hello guys, welcome back to my new video. In today's new video, I will actually show you how to create a blog post in a simple way. Actually, I will actually create much posts like this one, and the website that I'm gonna show you, this website is called uh, Anyword.io. You see that these are the posts that I've created just yesterday. See, it's as simple as possible, and these are unknown so that you guys can be able to create your own. So this website are called Anyword. You can be able to create any text, blog text, landing page, social media, product review, email, and SMS. Actually, you can do anything you do. So these are the ones that I have been already created. So this is my email. So if you wanna, for instance, like you wanna create edits, these are the main edits that are available for you to be able to create their uh, description or review on it. So actually, let us create a blog, which is blog post here. So let us click it here. Sorry guys, actually I'm here. You know my channel, which is up to online hustle. So I used to post many things that is helpful guys. So please go and subscribe to our channel, like our video from a video like this. So let's get back to work. So actually, if you come back to here, you'll see that describe your product. So let's see, for instance, we are on any word, any word. So let us, yeah, anyone will be, let's say advertising as keywords here. Blog post. So let's unclick. You see that due to the see 2020, let us see whether it will allow us to go with this thing, because they say this is the most important setup in the web anywhere. Better description results in more accurate custom and etc. So due to the law of description, we cannot allow us to do that, but actually let us change this thing. Anyword so let's see whether still now they say that your description should be at this. So okay, let's change this. Create so let's see whether it will work. So right now you see, let us click next. Now it is generating our contact or our title so that we can be able to put it in our website. So we see that the title, the average score, and how to attract more affiliates with Anyword. So this is so easy. So let us click on it, then click here. There are many keywords you can find in your website or place where you can be able to say it. So I like this one too. Let me click on it. Please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. So now the outline of the anything that you will show us. then click next. I don't want this video to take long, so I would have you in brief so that you can go and start doing it. So please wait a little bit, I will show you more pros and cons of this website. So you see here are the intro paragraph. So let's click on this. So you see that we have clicked in this display continue to read. So these are our title, which is our intro, what is Anyword. If you wanna generate this, so if you want to be long or medium or short, so I would like to be long and click generate. So hold. Boom, you'll see that keyword anywhere, or I should say Anyword, is a they have bring us a what I call it, a post that you can be able to, you don't need to work, you don't need to waste so much time in these tools can really help us. Let me create generate. So hold on, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. I will be posting more and more video in this 2020. So thanks for watching and be with us. So let's get back to our work. So you see it just pop up, it have already released. So let's click generate. Boom, you see that even this one have been already generated. So let's click generate again. So I will speed up this video because I don't want to take longer much. So while editing I will add fast to it, so don't worry. So running once, so publishing a blog post. So guys, for instance, like you may have a question to say that I wanna like upload a or add a some topics or add a something like how these things help and any other topic or what do you call it, other material that you need to add in under this blog post. So you are just to click any one of this area first, and like this is the last one. So let me see, let me post like, let's see, I want to see let's for instance see like best blog post software. So you can click on leave long and generate. So just hold on, it will actually show the information. The best thing about this is that, for instance, like now if this is not enough for me, I can be able to regenerate. Have you already here regenerate if you want to change this thing? So due to the time, I will just go ahead and show you how to post it in your let's see. Now I want to click on new, I want to create a new blogspot. So I will just now copy it. So now if you try to be copying like that, so that's actually a wrong way. So the only first way You can come to here, they say copy blogspot copy. If you copy it, you come back here and that's all you have already pressed your blogspot. So if you have enjoyed this video, please don't forget to like our video, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Please don't forget to give us a thumb up, subscribe to this channel. I've now get around 16 subscribers. I'm new, so please help me, support me, because I'm not your brother. Please try to help me a thumb up so that I will get more views. I will start making videos as much as possible. So thanks for watching. By the next video, I will actually show you how to rank SEO and digital marketing, which is SEO ranking. So actually, I will actually show us how to rank on websites like this. So give us a thumb up, subscribe to this channel for more videos like this. Boom.